Yesterday, Taoiseach, you took a sledgehammer to the rules and procedures of the Dáil, and you were assisted in this task by the Ceann Comhairle. Yesterday, the person responsible for safeguarding the Dáil's democratic processes led the charge on behalf of the government's agenda. The Ceann Comhairle bulldozed Dáil rules to get the government's plan over the line, to protect the very deal that put her in her position, a deal brokered by her mentor Michael Lowry, who sat smiling and giving the two fingers to the people of Ireland whilst the chaos unfolded. Ceann Comhairle, you took a wrecking ball to Dáil procedure to facilitate this charade. You even got a thumbs up from the government chief whip for all your efforts. You failed to hold a vote to agree Dáil business when a vote was called. You dumped promised legislation, and in your rush to ram through the government motion, you only called a vote on an amendment, not on a substantive motion, but still declared that the government motion had been passed. This was farcical, a clear breach of Dáil rules. It was unprecedented and it was unacceptable. Your actions yesterday, Ceann Comhairle, were demonstrably partisan and lacked the impartiality and independence demanded of your position. So who convinced you to play your part in this disgraceful charade? Or is it simply that bias for the government is baked into the very deal that secured your position? That is now the question. Ceann Comhairle, not alone have you lost the confidence of the entire opposition, you have in fact decimated it. And the Dáil cannot function properly whilst you remain in the chair. Above all, the Ceann Comhairle must be impartial, fair and independent, and by your actions you have demonstrated that you are not. Your position is therefore untenable, so I ask you to reflect very carefully on this, because you need to go.